Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will discuss conditional formatting feature which is available in Excel. Conditional formatting in Excel is a powerful tool that allows you to format cells based on specific conditions or rules. It helps you visually highlight and emphasize important information, trends, or outliers within your data, making it easier to analyze and interpret. Now, how we can use this feature? Let's go into Excel workbook. So here we are having one data set. Select the cells on which the conditional formatting is to be applied. Let's say these are the cells. Normally, we don't include the total. Now, to access conditional formatting, we will go in styles and styles conditional formatting. So, highlight cell rules. So, these are existing set of rules which are available. These rules are based on different criteria such as values. These are based on values, text, dates, and duplicates. We'll start with the first one, greater than. So highlight the cell values. It will by default it will take the average. Now you can change from here. Highlight the cell values which are greater than 200, greater than 300, and you can change the colors also from here. Click OK. Now if you want to clear the rules from the selected cells. The cells color will be clear. Now again go back, conditional formatting. Highlight cells rules less than. So here it will take the less than. Okay. Again go back. Highlight cells rules between. So we can specify the range here. 150 to 300. Conditional formatting. Highlight cells rules equal to. We'll write the specific number. So if we are having a large data set and we want to locate some specific data points, it can be done in this way. Conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, text that contains. Now this is the condition only used for text. So let's select the upper one, that is the month. Conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, text that contains. Let's say M, you can see, or J, U. So there are 2 months which are having J and U. So this is used for text. Conditional formatting, highlight cells rules. For a date, this is used for date. We can specify yesterday, today, tomorrow. Okay. Now again select the cells and you want to find out if there is any duplicate. So highlight cells rules, duplicate values, if they are. So there are many duplicate values which have been highlighted as they are repeated quite a number of times. From here, unique values. You can change from here which are the unique values that are in the data for only one time. Okay. Again, going conditional formatting. So the first part is over. Now let's talk about top 10. So here we are having the month, and this is, let's say, the genre of the movie which are released, and these are our collections. So we want to find out top 10 combinations. So top bottom rules, top 10 items. From here you can top 11, top 12, top 11, top 9. This can be done. So let's say top 10. So just a minute, conditional formatting, top 10 items, click OK. Yeah. So in the month of March, the fiction movie had a good collections. April also, a fiction movie had a good collections. In July, fantasy had a good collections. Now I'll press Ctrl Z, or you can remove the previous formatting by activating clear rules from the selected cells. Okay, top bottom. Now top 10 percentage can also be activated. Top 10. I'll press Ctrl Z. Conditional formatting. Top bottom rules. Bottom 10 items. The underperformers. Okay. Based on percentages. Right. Now we will go to the above average, which are those months with a particular genre of the movie, which are above average. And here, top bottom rules below average. Right. I'll press Ctrl Z. Now let's select it again. Go in conditional formatting. We can also have the data bars. Very interesting feature. We can have data bars. See. So see the length of the data bars, which depicts that in this particular month the collections was high for the fiction movie. And here, as the length is less, the collection was less. Press Ctrl Z. Conditional formatting, data bars. I'll just hover the mouse on different options which are available. So this is solid field and this is gradient field. We can also use the color scales. It's just like a heat map. Okay. We are having iconic sets also. Very interesting feature. Just activate and it will do the remaining work. That this are all above averages and these are below averages. Control Z, conditional formatting, iconic sets. So arrows we have seen, we can use sieves. But this is more interesting. We can give the ratings also. See, just activate the rating and your work is done. Again, select it, go in conditional formatting, iconic sets, select the bar charts, the rating charts. Again, select it, conditional formatting, iconic sets, pie charts. Control Z, conditional formatting, icon sets, and the boxes can be selected. So these are all interesting features of conditional formatting. So for more videos on MS Excel, please subscribe my channel so that you can all refer all the videos in my playlist. Please don't forget to like and share my video. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Link given in the description box.